If you thought you had every kitchen gadget imaginable, then think again, because Japan makes things you didn't even know you needed. And some of these gadgets are so unique that you never would have thought of them. So today, I'm going over the 20 best Japanese kitchen gadgets you didn't know existed, and if you're interested in any of these, I'll leave links to them in the description. First up is the copper tea strainer. This isn't your regular tea tool. It's made from pure copper, which keeps your tea tasting fresh and clean. The fine mesh catches even the tiniest tea leaves so you don't get bits in your cup. And copper doesn't rust like other metals do. Plus, it looks beautiful sitting on your countertop. What I love most is how it makes tea time feel special. It's like bringing a piece of Japanese tea culture right into your kitchen. So if you want restaurant-quality tea at home, this strainer delivers every single time. Next is the Mushi Nabi. This double-pot steamer is a total game-changer for healthy cooking. You can steam vegetables, dumplings, and fish all at the same time, but the best part is how it locks in all the flavors and nutrients. Unlike regular steamers, this Donabe pot is made from special clay that heats evenly, so everything cooks perfectly without burning. And it's microwave safe too. What makes this different is the traditional Japanese design that's been used for hundreds of years. I love how simple it is to use. Just add water, stack your food, and let it steam. Our number 3 spot is the Tamagoyaki pan. This rectangular pan makes those fluffy Japanese rolled omelets you see at sushi restaurants. But it's not just for eggs. You can use it for pancakes, bacon, and even small stir-fries. The square shape is what makes it special. It lets you fold and roll your eggs easily without them sliding around. And the non-stick surface means cleanup takes just seconds. What I really like is how it makes breakfast feel fancy. Your eggs come out looking like they're from a Japanese cafe. So if you want to impress your family in the morning, this pan does the trick perfectly. Up next is the tofu server. This tool might look simple, but it solves a huge problem. Tofu is super delicate and breaks apart when you try to pick it up with regular utensils. This server has a wide, flat surface that slides under the tofu gently, then it lifts without crushing or crumbling your food. But that's not the only thing it's good for. You can also use it for fish, delicate pastries, and even lasagna squares. Number 5 is the miso strainer and muddler. Making miso soup used to be such a hassle with lumps everywhere. But this tool changes everything. You scoop the miso paste into the strainer, then press it with the muddler, and the paste dissolves smoothly into your soup without any chunks. The stainless steel won't rust or stain like other materials do. What's different about this gadget is how it combines 2 tools in one. The strainer holds the paste while the muddler breaks it down perfectly. Next up is the Zojirushi rice cooker. This isn't just any rice cooker. It's like having a rice chef in your kitchen. The fuzzy logic technology actually thinks for itself and adjusts cooking time based on your rice type. So whether you're making white rice, brown rice, or even porridge, it comes out perfect every time. But the best part is the keep warm function that lasts for hours without drying out your rice. What makes Zojirushi different is its decades of Japanese engineering. They've perfected every detail, and I love how it plays a little song when your rice is ready. It's those small touches that make cooking feel special and fun. Up next are the Yoshihiro kitchen shears. These scissors aren't like the ones in your junk drawer. They're made from high-quality stainless steel that stays sharp for years, and they pull apart completely for easy cleaning. The comfortable handles don't hurt your hands, even after lots of cutting. What makes these unique is the Japanese craftsmanship. Each pair is designed to last a lifetime, so if you're tired of dull scissors that barely cut, these shears will change your kitchen game forever. Number 8 is the Yoshihiro Hinoki cypress cutting board. This board is made from real Japanese cypress wood that naturally fights bacteria, so it's cleaner and safer than plastic boards. The wood is soft enough that it won't dull your knives, but strong enough to last for years. And it smells amazing too. That fresh cypress scent makes cooking feel like you're in a fancy Japanese restaurant. But the best part is the anti-twisting core that keeps the board perfectly flat. Plus, it looks beautiful sitting on the counter. Next up is the Katsuobushi grater box. This gadget lets you make fresh bonito flakes right at home. You take dried bonito fish and grate it over the sharp blade inside the box, and the fresh flakes fall right into the drawer below. But why does this matter? Fresh bonito flakes taste 1,000,000 times better than the pre-packaged stuff. They're smokier, more flavorful, and they dance on top of hot food. What makes this different is how it brings authentic Japanese cooking to your kitchen. The box catches all the flakes, so there's no mess. Up next is the Sushi OK. This wooden bowl is what sushi chefs use to cool and season their rice. The wood absorbs extra moisture, so your rice gets that perfect sticky texture without being mushy. And the flat shape lets you mix in vinegar evenly without crushing the grains. But that's not the only thing it's great for. You can use it for serving salads, noodles, or even as a fruit bowl. What makes this special is the traditional Japanese cedar wood that's been used for centuries. The wood naturally prevents bacteria growth too. So if you want to make sushi at home that actually tastes like restaurant quality, this bowl is your secret weapon. Number 11 is the Otoshibuta. This drop lid sits right on top of your food while it's cooking, but why would you want that? It keeps ingredients from moving around and breaking apart, and it helps flavors soak into your food more evenly. The adjustable design means it fits pots from 5.5 to 9.1 inches, so you only need one lid for all your pots. What makes this different from a regular lid is how it sits directly on the food instead of the pot rim. This creates gentle pressure that keeps everything in place. I love using this for simmered dishes and braised meats. It's a traditional Japanese tool that actually makes your cooking better. Next up is the Yukihira ceramic grater. This tiny tool is perfect for grating ginger, garlic, and wasabi. The ceramic teeth are super sharp and won't rust like metal graters do, and they don't hold on to smells either. So your grater won't smell like garlic forever. But the best part is how fine it grates everything. You get a smooth paste instead of chunky pieces. What makes ceramic special is how gentle it is. It grates without crushing, so you keep all the natural juices and flavors. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. I love how such a small grater makes such a big difference in my cooking. Up next is the bamboo sushi mat. This mat is what you need to roll perfect sushi at home. The bamboo slats are tied together so they bend easily around your rice and fillings, and they create those nice flat edges that make sushi look professional. But it's not just for sushi rolls. You can use it to shape rice balls, press ingredients together, or even as a cooling rack. What makes bamboo special is how it doesn't stick to rice like plastic does. The natural material lets air flow through too, so your sushi stays fresh and doesn't get soggy. Number 14 is the Yukihira Nabi. This traditional Japanese pot has a long handle and a pouring spout built right in. It's perfect for making soups, sauces, and blanching vegetables. The stainless steel heats up quickly and evenly so nothing burns, and that handle stays cool so you won't hurt your hands. But what makes this pot unique is the hammer finish on the outside. Those little dimples aren't just for looks, they actually help distribute heat better. Plus, the wide opening makes it easy to stir and see what you're cooking. I love how the pouring spout lets you serve without making a mess. It's simple, practical, and designed to last forever. Next up is the Tawashi scrub brush. This natural fiber brush has been used in Japanese homes since 1907. It's made from coconut palm fibers that are tough on dirt, but gentle on your dishes. The stiff bristles scrub away crusty bits without scratching your pots and pans, and it works way better than the rough side of a sponge. But that's not the only thing it's good for. You can use it to scrub vegetables, clean sinks, and even wash cutting boards. What makes this special is that it's completely handmade and lasts for years. I love how this simple brush makes cleaning feel natural and sustainable. No more throwing away plastic sponges every week. Up next is the Hiba Wood Sushi Press Set. This wooden mold lets you make pressed sushi called Oshizushi. You layer rice and toppings inside, then press down with the lid, and out comes perfectly shaped sushi that looks like it's from a fancy restaurant. The Hiba wood is naturally antibacterial, so it stays clean and fresh. Plus, it gives your sushi a subtle woodsy aroma that makes it taste even better. What makes this different from rolling sushi is how easy it is. You don't need any special skills or techniques. Just press and slice. I love how this tool opens up a whole new style of sushi making at home. Number 17 is the Chakoro tea incense burner. This unique tool burns tea leaves instead of regular incense. You place dried tea leaves on the burner, and they slowly smolder, releasing a gentle, calming aroma. It's perfect for relaxing after a long day, but the best part is how natural it smells. No fake fragrances or chemicals, just pure tea scent that fills your kitchen or living room. What makes this special is the traditional cast iron design that's been used in Japan for centuries. The iron heats evenly so your tea burns slowly and smoothly. I love using this with green tea or hojicha for a cozy atmosphere. It turns your home into a peaceful tea house instantly. Next up is the Kyoto Bamboo Tori Dessert Fork. This elegant two-pronged fork is perfect for eating Japanese sweets and desserts. The bamboo is smooth and lightweight, so it feels nice in your hand, and the two prongs let you pick up delicate wagashi without crushing them. But it's not just for desserts. You can use it for fruit, cheese, appetizers, or anything bite-sized. What makes bamboo special is how it doesn't hold flavors or odors like metal does, so each bite tastes pure and fresh. Plus, it's naturally antimicrobial. I love how this simple fork makes snack time feel more mindful and elegant. It's those small touches that make everyday moments special. Up next is the Tasting Spoon and Fork. This clever tool combines a spoon and fork in one utensil. One end has a small spoon for tasting sauces and soups. The other end has fork tines for grabbing ingredients, so you can taste and adjust your cooking without dirtying extra utensils. But the best part is the size. It's small enough to get accurate tastes without taking huge bites. What makes this unique is how it's designed specifically for cooking, not eating. Professional chefs in Japan use these all the time, and the stainless steel won't react with acidic foods. I love how this one simple tool keeps my counter cleaner while I'm cooking. Less dishes to wash is always a win. Finally, number 20 is the fish scaler. This brass tool removes fish scales quickly and cleanly. The serrated edge catches scales and pulls them off without tearing the skin, and the scales fall away neatly instead of flying everywhere. But what makes brass special is how it doesn't rust, even when it's always getting wet. Plus, brass naturally fights bacteria, so it stays hygienic. The comfortable handle gives you good grip, even when your hands are slippery. What I love most is how fast it works. You can scale a whole fish in under a minute. So if you buy fresh fish from the market, this tool makes prep work so much easier. Fresh fish tastes better, and this scaler makes it simple. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you find the perfect gadget. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. And if you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each Japanese kitchen gadget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.